Jurassic Park. Look for the elephants.
On the way to Palmitos Park.
All for dinosaurs. Come to Palmitos Park. All the dinosaurs on the left.
So you can use bus 70
and you can use bus 70 and 45.
So let's go inside Palmitos Park.
Oh, that's quite a pretty place. Yeah, walking from the main car park reception to the reception. It looks very pretty, plants everywhere. Oh wow.
And join the queue to buy the ticket.
Yes, now we have to buy tickets and see what time are various displays. Oh, how wonderful. Look at this. Entrance. Entrada.
Entrance to buy the tickets to Palmitos.
Yeah. And exotic birds of prey, 11:30, dolphins 1:30. From the ticket office, let's explore it.
Palmitos Park.
Firstly, we have to get so let's go. We are starting with a nice walk towards the Birds of Prey show. Oh, sorry, it's prayer. It's not prayer. They do not pray. Yeah, there are some shops here. ATM, toilets. Oh, looks very interesting. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, fantastic. Oh, I love.
Hurry, hurry. The bird of prey is waiting.
Bird of prey is waiting.
Ah, beautiful birds.
Oh yeah.
Hello birds.
How are you? Oh, lovely. Okay, following our path to the Birds of Prey.
Up the hill.
Obviously they are on a very, very top of the hill.
Jurassic Park.
Oh, Jurassic Park. Look at all those rocks around us. Adventure for explorer.
Oh, there's a kiosk here to buy drinks and food. Bird of prey. And another beautiful waterfall.
Yes. The problem with the hill is that you have to walk up. Oh, they are pretty giant. Jurassic Park. That's why you really see that cactuses can have extremely wonderful formations and they can be very beautiful. Look at this tree.
Wow. So this is the view from bird of prey area in Palmitos Park.
Exercise, aquí tenemos, here we have Hendrix, nuestro macho male ratonero de Harrison. Su nombre es Hendrix, his name is Hendrix. Peso de Hendrix alrededor de 6
Philip, look at me.
gramos. He weighs around
Look at me, that's
100
perfect.
grams. Y hoy nos va a realizar un ejercicio de nuestro halcón sacre Aguarseca Falcon. Su nombre es Megara, her name is Megara. Obviamente el halcón peregrino es más rápido que el halcón sacre, only the peregrine falcon is faster than Seika Falcon. Este tipo de aves pueden alcanzar los 200 kilómetros por hora. They can reach speed at 200 kilometers an hour. Peso de Megara alrededor de 800 gramos. She weighs around about 800 grams. Este tipo de ave es una ave muy usada en el aeropuerto para prevenir que estos pájaros no choquen con aviones. Very used in the airport. Esa puede ver comer y volar junto a otros carroñeros como el buitre leonado, marabú y caracara crestado. In the wild you can see them hitting and fly with another carrionator like marabú, crescent bullfrog and crested. Su nombre es Porto, his name is Porto, Strapax, Step Eagle, viene desde África. He comes Leonardo Griffin Pocha. Su nombre es Lilo, his name is Lilo, with Leonardo Griffin Pocha. Now you can see the difference between one carronitas and another, mucho más grande, claros, más big of course. Y aquí lo tenemos enfrente de ustedes, in front of you. Recordamos el buitre más grande del mundo, es el buitre negro. Pero aquí tenemos nuestro buitre leonado en vuelo libre. The biggest vulture in the world is the black vulture.
Ya casi, ¿no?
Aquí hablamos al Griffin vulture, flying freely. Pero bueno, vamos ahora a intentar llamar Lilo, una de esas. ¡Lilo! ¡Nuestro buitre! Leonardo, our Griffin vulture. Tiene toda la fuerza en su pico. The vultures have all of the powerful in their beaks. Sus picos es muy fuerte. Their beaks are very powerful. Bueno, una curiosidad es en el mundo de la ave rapace, la diferencia entre macho y hembra es el tamaño. Time walking. Muy bien, perfecto. Cuando termina de limpiar el suelo, el piso, vamos a kilo, envergadura también más o menos.
Yes.
Aquí tenemos Yukona. ¿Cuántos tiene?
Yeah. Oh, you can see dolphin show area. Oh, in the mountains. Fantastic. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. There are amazing cactuses on the bottom. Very amazing. Oh wow. Jurassic Park. We should put some dinosaurs.
So we have finished with the bird of prey show. So now let's explore the park, Palmitos Park.